The moon has a face, if you live in the northern hemisphere. If you live in the southern, you might see a rabbit or a woman lying down. But why does the moon have shapes at all? Hi everyone, astrophysicist here to answer that question. The moon has two sides, but we only ever see one. This is because the moon is tidally locked to the Earth, or its rotation speed is the same as its orbital speed. Again, the moon takes 27 days to go around the Earth and also 27 days to spin all the way around. So we only ever see the face side of the moon. We never see the far side, which looks like this. They're a lot different from each other. This is lacking those big gray patches known as maria. So why are the halves of the moon so different? The answer is that the moon has been tidally locked to the Earth for a very long time, basically since it formed. So the moon was mostly molten when it locked to the Earth. Now gravity keeps the moon in orbit, and the thing about gravity is that it acts strongly on things that are close by and weakly on things that are farther away. So the near side of the moon experiences more of Earth's gravity than the far side. This effect was especially strong around the formation of the moon because the moon actually formed 17 times closer to the Earth than it is today. So Earth's gravity pulled the molten core of the moon closer to itself. So one side of the moon had a thin crust with magma right underneath of it, and the other side of the moon had a thick crust. As we can see, the moon has been impacted quite a lot throughout its life. 3 to 4 billion years ago, those impactors, those asteroids and comets, were coming in and striking the fragile crust of the near side of the moon, causing volcanic activity, creating lava plains that we know as maria. Now on the other side of the moon, the impactors were still happening, but they were not causing volcanic activity. So that's why the near side of the moon has these big maria, and the far side of the moon just has craters. If you ever travel to the opposite hemisphere, don't forget to look up, because that moon's upside down. Also, the constellations are totally different. It's a little unnerving, a little disorienting, but ultimately very cool. Thanks for joining me. If you like my science videos, consider subscribing, and keep an eye out for my upcoming book, Life in 7 Numbers, available next year from Princeton University Press.